Good morning. I thought it was time to do another day in the life of a marketing manager, so here we are. This morning I got a lovely reminder to why living in downtown sometimes isn't the best. Yeah. Animal things, you know? Alright, I put on some makeup and just got changed for the day after my meeting. I actually had 2 meetings this morning, but I only filmed one of them. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with some of the work I have to do today. So today I need to design some web pages, which is actually one of my favorite things to do right now for work. So it kind of is perfect because I get to do something that I really like. I have a community landing page that I need to design, as well as a partner landing page that I need to do for this company that we work with. I need to look into a few more review management sites because we've been trying to find a good tool for just managing our online reputation and our review and automate the review gathering process. So I have been tasked to meet with a bunch of people, which is actually what one of the meetings were this morning. Get some demos and just learn about these tools that we potentially will use. I'm looking in Notion just to see what else we have going on. There's a lot. Oh, my to-do list is long, but it's okay. Let's work on these things first, and then if I have extra time, I will do some other stuff. I do have a workout planned for 3:30, so I'm probably gonna leave the house at around 3 and just walk over there, and then I'll come back and just work an extra hour. I had to schedule these workout classes at this like 3:30 time because that's when the personal trainer is available. So that's fine. That's the good thing about working for a startup slash working at home, is our team is pretty flexible with our time. So if there's something that we need to do, we can go do it as long as we come back and finish all of our work. Alright, before I actually get into designing and showing you guys these web pages, I wanted to quickly show you guys my Milanote board. You guys have heard me talk about Milanote already in my Design With Me videos. I am actually working with them on this video, so thank you Milanote for sponsoring this portion of the video. As I do with my Enkel project, I do use Milanote for work as well, just to plan out like a mood board or assets or just things that I need to put together a project. So you can see this is the home page of my Milanote, and I have this one board which is used for Kashoo and Truly Small work, which is where I work. I'm gonna go into the Truly Small website. As you can see, I just started to organize this a little bit. I used to just use Milanote to save everything and it was getting pretty messy. So I did some organization, and this is the newest landing page that I'm working on, which is the Contractor Page. This is how I organized some information about my contractor project. So I have a section which just gives me an idea of branding and graphics. These are just some graphics that I know I want to use on this page. Our brand colors, and then our different logos for putting on the site. I did do a little to-do list on this page as well, just so I know what I have left to do. I can go ahead and check off some of these. And then if you keep scrolling, I did screenshot a bunch of competitors, just competitor pages that I either enjoyed the copy of or the design, or like something that they're showing. Before I design any web page, I always try my best to do as much competitor research as possible to see how other companies are already talking about this specific thing that I'm designing a page for. I just find that, especially if you are looking for companies who you are aspiring to be like larger companies, they probably already have spent tons and tons of money A/B testing for copy, A/B testing for button placement and like imagery placement. And so you might as well piggyback off that a little bit and just try to pick and choose things that you think that they are doing well on their site. Especially for language, I think language is super important. So if you do have a competitor that you know they have the same sort of target market as you can definitely piggyback off their language and use it as sort of a baseline for you to further test for your own specific audience. Like I said, I mainly use Milanote to do planning, mood boarding, and just overall sort of gathering ideas for projects. I love that there is this endless artboard where you can just put things anywhere and you can just go ahead and add as much data or as little data as you want. I've actually used it to plan YouTube videos, creative shoots like photo shoots for clients, pretty much anything where I need to gather ideas, this is great for. And the best part is Milanote is available for free with no time limit. So if you guys want to go ahead and try it out for your next creative project, I'll leave a link in the description box for you guys so you guys can find it. Let me show you guys the actual page design that I created based on my Milanote inspo board. I ended up getting some graphics that would work for this specific vertical, which I think are pretty cute. I actually have tasked our graphic designer to help me create a hard hat because that doesn't look like a hard hat and it's supposed to. So we're working on that, and we'll probably add in some more sort of like contractor related graphics as well. But right now this is kind of what I have. I've got a little accordion style section here to give more information, and then I just pretty much go over the benefits of using our tool as a contractor. I've been including more of these sections as well, like more resources, because I want people to be able to access like our articles, but that are all related to that area, I guess. So what that means is on the contractor page, you're going to be able to read articles that are related to being a contractor, to running a contracting business, to invoicing as a contractor, or just kind of general invoicing things. Pretty much articles that are going to be relatable to what you need when you are on this specific web page. But yeah, that is the design for the web page. I actually got some comments about the copy, so I'm gonna go in and just edit the copy now, and then I'm gonna start working on the community page.
Like before, I was at a birthday party, me and all my friends.
Okay, I thought I would show you guys what I've been working on over the last like hour and a half-ish. Here's the web page that I've been working on. It's our community landing page. So it's essentially just prompting users to join our community. I got some information about, who's a part of this community. We have a call to action to share a story. We really want to feature some small businesses on our website, on our socials, so this is just going to be a nice little, I guess, like gateway for them to be able to contact us and let us know that they would like to be included in that. We also have a section underneath where it displays some of our small business stories that we've written in the past. Video content, of course, we are creating YouTube videos, so this is where this is going to live. And then, of course, a prompt to follow us on social media, as well as just some reviews from our customers, just to kind of show like social proof and to just show that other small businesses really are liking our products. Then we do have a Facebook community, so I'm just linking that here. I might actually add a little Facebook logo to somewhere here so that it's more easily understandable that we have like a Facebook community. I'm definitely starting to fade a little bit, so I think I might go for a second cup of coffee. I know I'll feel a little bit better after I get a workout in later on in the day, but yeah, I'm just starting to feel really, really tired, and my neck is bothering me so much today. So second cup of coffee, and then I'll come back and get a little bit more work done. An SVG version of the Facebook logo so that I can include it in this web page. And I think what I'm going to do is add it in like a little text bubble above the little characters. It looks like they're all talking about Facebook, I guess. My design skills is definitely not that great. Like my illustration skills on Figma is not great, but I think it should be okay. Can kind of fiddle with it a little bit. Oops. Over. Facebook logo. Move it on top. Probably make this some other color. Okay, that needs work, but you get the general idea. All right, back from my personal training session, and I'm just going to review some emails now, specifically ones that have to do with deciding on which review management system we're going to go with. So some of the options that we looked at were Bird's Eye, Localizer, and Nice Job. Nice Job is by far the most affordable tool, but it definitely does not have all of the features that we are hoping for. Localizer and Bird's Eye, or Bird Eye, have similar pricing, but I think that Bird Eye actually has better features than Localizer does. I am really leaning towards Bird Eye, so I'm gonna see if I can do like a trial or something like that, and also just respond to their rep's email.
Right now, someone is searching for a business like yours.
Okay, I wanted to also show you guys this TikTok that I made.
You know, my favorite thing about the movie is like it feels like a movie. It feels like a real
We do have somebody who manages our social, but I honestly really enjoy making these small business related TikToks. So if you guys want to see more of me other than my own Instagram and TikTok, check out the Truly Small Apps TikTok. It's just at Truly Small Apps if you guys are interested, but I just kind of create funny, like small business, entrepreneurship related TikTok videos there. Now I think what I'll do is actually go through Screaming Frog and just do a crawl of our websites. We did want to kind of do a website crawl every quarter or so to make sure that our website health is looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and run that I don't think I'm gonna actually go through and like analyze everything today, but at least I can run it and grab the information. That way I can have something to work on tomorrow and just go through everything and just start tasking out the stuff that we need to fix. This is kind of what it looks like. You'll see that it's crawling right now, and you can see there's like, this is how many URLs that it's encountered, total internal blocked by robots.txt, total external blocked by robots.txt. It'll even go through stuff like meta description. There's 2 pages that are missing meta descriptions. There are 4 pages that a crawler would sense as a duplicate, so that's really important because you don't want duplicate pages, or if you have similar content, you want to make sure that you list one as a cornerstone piece and kind of do the linking structure so that Google can see like what the most important page is and show that one instead. There's ones where, okay, so 17 pages have meta descriptions that are over 155 characters. So you want your meta descriptions to be under 155 characters, but above 70 characters. Anyway, so it tells you all this amazing information so that you're able to actually go and fix it. All right, my little Excel doc is all created. Well, Google Sheets doc. I did issues, missing alt text that are too long, page titles, meta descriptions, H1s, H2s, and 404s this time for one of our websites. And it's because I looked through some of the other error codes and it didn't seem like we have any, which makes sense because this is a relatively new website. It's been around for 2 years, so we've kept it pretty good and clean, thankfully. So yeah, those are all of the issues that I found so far on this site. I'm gonna do it for the other site as well because we have 2 sites. And yeah, I think other than that, that might be everything that I need to work on today. Did I show you guys this part? So I needed to also just show more social proof on our sites. So I created this little section where we have our App Store reviews, Google Play Store reviews, G2 Crowd reviews, and Capterra. And then on the landing pages for our specific products, I will reflect the actual ranking of those products, but this is just for our main tool, which the main one is going to be what most of our landing pages are going to be talking about. So just showing sort of the general main tool ranking is going to be what makes sense for most pages. But as I said, now that I have that little section designed, I can just repeat it and actually show like what the ranking is for our specific products on the pages that talk about those specific products. Okay, that I think concludes my work day for today. I have water boiling in the background so that I can start making some dinner. Don't forget to check out Milano, which is going to be linked in the description. I do have a Figma tutorial plan that I'm going to film probably in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for that as well. But other than that, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in my next video.